everybody, it's Shauna back again. I know it's been a while. Today I have two packages to open. One is from Steep Tea and one is from Ipsy. We are going to start with Steep Tea. I won this box from Steep Tea from a representative. Her name is Lauren. She is absolutely a complete sweetheart. I will leave her link to her Instagram and any other links to her down below. I'm super excited about this. I've tried actually one of her other Steep Teas before she sent me. It was a citrus mint sangria, I believe. It was so good. So I'm excited to find out what is in here. Oh, let me not flash my address at y'all. I'm excited to see what's in here and give it a try. I actually already have a cup of hot water that I just pulled out of my Keurig, and my boyfriend's on standby to wash the little ball out here that's in here. It is an absolutely beautiful day outside right now. I hope y'all are enjoying your spring. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff coming in here. All right, we're gonna throw the paper on the floor like I see everybody else do. Let's party at your place. Simple, fun, rewarding. Connect with your consultant to book your party today. I plan on getting with Lauren to do a party. I need some feedback, folks. Come on, you guys. Let me know if y'all want to do a party with me. I don't want to waste your time. I want to know if you guys want to do this with me. These teas look and sound so delicious. The one that I've had tastes absolutely delicious. So, come on. All right. Let's see. Ooh. There is a Steep Tea thank you bag in here. Oh, okay. This is orange date cake fruit tea. And that's got like actual orange rinds and stuff in it. It has date bits, currant sunflower oil, orange wedges, cinnamon bits, cardamom, fig bits, and natural flavors. And this is going to be the mesh infuser. Babe, will you wash this up for me real quick? I want to go ahead and give some of this a try. If I can keep from spilling everything all over my table, because I'm clumsy and talented like that. Alright. I really appreciate it, Lauren. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to try some of your teas. Oh, I'm ready to smell this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells like orange and cinnamon. I'm just pulling this up on my computer here. And if I remember right, this can be hot or iced. I'm just going to do it hot. And she did send me one of the mesh balls. And sorry, I know I'm doing this, taking my time here on the camera. I'm just really excited to give this a try. I don't have any mesh bags or anything, so I'm having to do it with the ball. big old hunk of orange rind right here. Yes. Okay. So it does not tell me how long to steep. Oh yes, it does. Okay, I got about the teaspoons right here. It says 4 to 5 minutes, brew once. One thing I have noticed with the steep teas is it does tell you the amount, how many times you can brew it, and how long. So that's good, because some of these teas you can, or all these teas are a little bit different, so some of us need help, like myself. Okay, so while that's brewing, let me see what time it is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get my Ipsy started here. Yay, that pink, happy pink mail came in the mail today. Happy pink pouch came in the mail today. Y'all know what I mean. Can't talk today. Haven't been on camera in a minute. Yeah. So, this month the theme is Sideshow. Step right up, step right up. Now's the time to be bold and shatter the mold. Forget what you know about the status quo. This is your ticket to the Ipsy Sideshow. This month is about those of us being different. I know about being different. I've never exactly fit the mold, I guess you could say. I like being different. Being different is me. I don't want to be the same as everybody. Being different is important. Cutest bag ever. This is the ticket to the Ipsy Sideshow. I love it. It's not exactly orange, it's not exactly peach. I would call it a salmon color. The words on it, and this is a lavender color, and then kind of a pale yellow color for the numbers. So lavender and pale yellow, and then we've just got the salmon zipper. Once again, I couldn't wait. I had to look and see what I was getting in my Ipsy bag. So we'll start off with this. This is the Touch Insole No Problem Primer. No Problem, excuse me, primer. Hides pores and wrinkles. I've only ever tried the e.l.f. primer, so I'm actually kind of excited to have another primer to give a try, because while I like my e.l.f. one, I've never experienced another primer, so I'm not sure what is good, what is not good. So thank you, Ipsy, for giving me the chance to try something new. Alright, the next thing I'm going to dig out of here is Ephemeral Avene. It's a rich compensating cream. I'm assuming that means it's a moisturizer. Let me just pull it up here. Leaves skin feeling comforted, supple, and radiant. Formulated to minimize risks of allergy. Itty bitty teeny tiny. There it says, after only using this for a few days, our skin felt smoother than ever. The lush, yummy texture melts right in. Aside from quenching and smoothing, it's packed with killer ingredients like antioxidants, ceramides, plant steroids, and fatty acids to help lock in moisture. I'm actually trying a new face care regime from my friend Rachel through Posh. So I'm not trying any new facial moisturizers right now. So I'll probably let my daughter use that one. All right, and then the next thing in here. Now, funny thing, I've never used bronzer. Well, I kind of have, but failed at it. This is the Ciate London bronzer, bamboo bronzer. I specifically did not check bronzer on my Ipsy list, but you know, this is a nice light bronzer. It'll be a good time to try bronzer. We're coming on into those hotter months, and why not? I'll give it a try. It's a light color, so I mean, that's the good thing about Ipsy. They give you these trial size products to try, and that's the whole point of it. So I'm excited. All right, it's been about 5 minutes here. I've been over here dipping from time to time, so let me give this a try. It smells absolutely divine. Ooh, I don't even need sugar with that. Baby, this is really good. You can definitely taste the orange in there. You can definitely taste the cinnamon. The cinnamon kind of rolls across your tongue there afterwards. That's really good. I can imagine that if like I were to take and make a small picture of this and actually put like oranges and cinnamon sticks in it, and well, not cinnamon sticks, maybe oranges, and have it on ice, that would be really, really good. I like this. Thank you again, Lauren. Lauren from Steep Tea, folks. I will be leaving her links down below. And back to Ipsy. Okay, the next product I was really excited about. I love pigments. This next product is from Naked Cosmetics. It is their pigment in heavy metal. I'm going to... This is how it comes. It's just like a little cube here. Once I figure out how to get it open, I will show y'all what it looks like. I've been into pigments for many years now. My first pigment crush was MAC Cosmetics. I was just all up into pigments back during the MAC pigment rave. This is kind of what it looks like in the lid. I'm hoping I'm doing a good show there with the light. And then I'll give y'all, ooh, that is, ooh, oh wow, yes, that is just bronze and beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. That is beautiful. I'm very happy with that. Alright, now for the crowning glory. My favorite thing that I've been absolutely waiting for. I'm an 80s baby, 90s baby, whatever you want to call it. Yes. I was that girl who in school, back in school, I had my Lisa Frank Trapper Keeper. Yep, you know the one. I had Lisa Frank stickers. I had Lisa Frank notebooks. I had Lisa Frank erasers. Excuse me, this tea's really good. I had Lisa Frank everything. Well, Ipsy collaborated with Glamour Dolls, and they came out with a Lisa Frank angle brush for us. Super duper excited. Yes, a Lisa Frank angle brush, and it's got unicorns. So happy. Oh yes. Oh, and it's so soft. That's not cheap. That's not that's not, yeah, that is nice. Gotta love the Lisa Frank. Shout out to all my other 90s babies out there. Oh, that is so pretty. It's got on the side of it, it's got Glamour Dolls, XOXO Lisa Frank. That is so nice. And then this part here is in a rose gold color. That is nice. So, sum it up with Ipsy. We got the bag. We got the primer. We got the lotion, or the face moisturizer. We got the Ciate bamboo bronzer. We got the Naked Cosmetics, wow, just drew a complete blank, Heavy Metal. And then we've got the Lisa Frank angle brush from Glamour Dolls. All in all, it was a great bag from Ipsy. I love it. Dare to be different, y'all. And I'm going to definitely try to get this video up and out today. Today is April 12th. I want to give a special shout out to my baby girl. It's her 17th birthday. She's growing up to be a woman. They grow up way too fast. Way too fast. Also to my daddy, his birthday was Friday. So I love you both. And once again, I will be leaving links to everything down below. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, please just click on the link down below. It'll take you there to get signed up. I'll have links to Steep Tea. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like buttons. Leave a comment. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag. Show me some love. I'll also have links to all my other social medias. Hey, add me. I'll add you back. If you need subscribers or followers, let me know. I will subscribe and follow. I know how it is. We'll show some love. Alright guys, that's about it for today. Bye, and thanks again.